Congratulations! You're about to discover thrilling, high-quality sound that will take your home entertainment to new heights. Introducing the M-Series all-in-one 2.1 Immersive soundbar from VIZIO. This video will walk you through the unboxing process, so whether you're ready to set up or just eager for a sneak peek, we'll give you the details you need to get up and running fast. Before we begin, you'll need a pair of scissors or a box cutter. Ready? Okay, let's begin. First, lay the box on its side and locate the pull tabs on each side. Now, using your scissors or box cutter, cut the tape along the pull tabs. Slide open each of the tabs. Lift open the packaging. Remove the top foam protector. Now carefully lift the soundbar out of the box. Take the end foam protectors off. Gently set the soundbar aside on a flat surface. Next, remove the brown accessory box from the packaging. Then, remove the soundbar from its protective cover. Locate the pull tab on the accessory box. Using your box cutter or scissors, cut the tape along the accessory box's pull tab. Pull the tab to open the accessory box. Inside the accessory box, you'll find the following: a remote control, 2 AAA batteries, a power cable, an HDMI cable, wall mount template, the user manual, and the quick start guide. Now that you've unboxed your VIZIO M-Series all-in-one soundbar, check out the setup video to learn how to connect to your TV.